everyone, I'm Jody Yerlitz. I'm an early learning facilitator, and today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and simple activity that I call a snow puzzle. So for this activity, you just need about 6 to 8 assorted objects from around the house, whatever you can find, and a cookie sheet, and then some snow to put inside the cookie sheet. So today I just used a Christmas tree ornament, 2 different sizes of spoons, another Lego toy, an action figure, and a pen. So for this activity, all you do is you pack the cookie sheet full of snow. Today the snow that I have isn't great for packing, but I'm doing my best. So once you have your cookie sheet full of snow, you stick the items back inside and push it down so that they make an imprint. So you can see there's an imprint there. And then you take out all of the objects. And then you mix them up to the side and get the child to try and guess where everything goes back. So decide if it fits in this spot or if it fits in this spot, etc. So this hands-on activity is used as a math activity because it turns out to be a puzzle for your child to solve, and you can use roughly between 6 to 8 pieces for them to put back into place. If they need something more challenging, you can for sure get a bigger cookie sheet and add more items. It's also, you can have the child sort the objects from biggest to smallest. You can get them to count how many objects there are, name the colors. It can have so many learning outcomes. So that's all I have for this week, and thank you for watching.